If you're looking for one of the best direct-to-film transfers in the market, Supacolor wearable transfers are now a part of Heat Press Nation's catalog. Compatible with the most common apparel fabrics like cotton, polyester, and polyblends, these transfers are designed to be highly versatile and appear with the best colors, while also staying soft on apparel and easy to use. In this video, we'll be covering how a Supacolor wearable transfer can be prepared, then applied onto a cotton shirt. Preparing your transfer is as simple as providing HPN, a vector graphic file of your art, such as in the AI, EPS, or PDF format. Though if you don't have a vector file, you can alternatively send HPN an image file that's at least 300 dpi as either a PNG or JPEG. If your art doesn't need a background, we recommend setting a PNG of this image that's transparent instead. With the art sent to HPN, it'll then be carefully processed through Supacolor to produce and send directly to you. And once you have your wearable transfer, it'll just be a matter of applying it to your apparel. Turn on your heat press and set it to 12 to 15 seconds at 320 degrees Fahrenheit with firm pressure. If you're pressing your transfer onto a polyester shirt, adjust your machine to 10 seconds at 290 degrees Fahrenheit with medium firm pressure. Once your machine reaches temperature, add your clothing to the lower platen and pre-press it for 5 to 8 seconds to clear out any wrinkles and moisture. Afterwards, simply place your wearable transfer where desired on your item. Cover it with a protective sheet and press. Once your time reaches 0, open your machine to peel the wearable transfer hot from a corner with smooth, consistent motion. Then cover it again to press for another 2 to 4 seconds. After you've pressed it a second time, your Supacolor wearable transfer is now a colorful and permanent part of your apparel. You can learn more about Supacolor transfers on our YouTube channel or at heatpressnation.com.